from time to time, I get questions from my customers. Oh, your flowers are so beautiful, but we are wondering how fragile are they, or how sturdy are they, or how we should clean them, how we should look after them. I think this is the right time now to answer all these questions, and I'll tell you, that's not a rocket science at all. This is super easy and fast, and this is my best tool to do this cleaning. Well, actually, this is a feather duster. You can use any, like this one, this fancy one, or you can get the synthetic one. I got both actually from Bunnings. You can get from Woolies if you are in Australia, or from any home related supermarket or department store where you can get the home products. Or alternatively, you can use like something like a soft cloth, but make sure it is clean and absolutely dry. Do not use damp clothes at all. So what you do with the feather duster, you just dust your flowers, every single petal, like this. So you just slide the feather duster inside the flower and wipe all this dust out. If you have a wallflower like this, and if it is on a hook, you just take it off and dust this way. So you can see how I slide the feathers in between the petals, so I touch every single petal from front side and from the back. Right, so now it is absolutely clean. If you prefer to use cloth, you can take, mine are from Koch, the company which makes in Australia this eco cleaning products, and this is just a microfiber cloth. So I do all same, but with the cloth, I go through each petal this way, here and here. You cannot use any damp cloth because paper, it is still fiber and it really absorbs the water easy. So if your cloth is damp, the water from this cloth will go through the micro bits of this petal, will go into the petal, and the petal will lose its shape, so it will flatten. We don't want this, so please, dry cloth only. I still prefer feather duster. This is my best choice because it is easier. Well, synthetic duster makes same job. You go this way. It does not damage the flower, yet it cleans really nice. And then you put your flower back to the hook. Easy. Clean your flowers. Don't be afraid.